Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study law. Shubham Singhal. Start by building a daily habit, set realistic goals, and track progress. Focus on active reading, brief cases, and outlining rules versus exceptions. Practice applying doctrines through hypotheticals and past questions. Balance memorization with understanding, and review notes weekly to reinforce retention. Stay curious, ask questions, and connect theory to practical examples in a calm, steady way. Start with clear methods. Explain each rule as if teaching someone else, and identify gaps quickly. Time your practice with past questions and simulate exam settings to build speed and confidence. Use study groups to argue different perspectives and test understanding, but stay focused on syllabus priorities. Create concise cheat sheets for core doctrines and revisit them every week. Keep sessions short and focused to avoid burnout and retain more. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading cases and notes easy with adjustable light and long battery life, perfect for study sessions on the go. It feels like carrying a whole library without the weight, which I find oddly liberating when packing for exams. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Gather resources that suit your learning style and stick to a few reliable ones. Combine textbooks, lecture notes, and concise supplements to cross-check tricky points. Make flashcards for elements, definitions, and case holdings, and review them in short bursts. Record yourself explaining doctrines and listen during commutes to reinforce memory. Prioritize high-yield topics and past question patterns to maximize study efficiency and build confidence steadily.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.